So these went off at 1 o'clock today. It is a Federal Signal 2001 dash 130, as you can see right there. And it was very loud. That's right. In my city of Livonia, Michigan, they mostly use these. However, if I can find it. However, there are some of these tornado sirens right here, which are the Federal Signal modulators. And it was very, very loud. And that is all because the tornado siren tests are scheduled for the first Saturday of every month at 1 p.m., even during the winter, because severe weather can strike at any time. Also, guys, you do not ever set off these tornado sirens unless you have special permission to by the proper authorities, like doing it for a scheduled test, or when there's a real severe thunderstorm or tornado warning issued. Then it's okay to do that. But you never want to set these things off for fun or hack into the tornado siren system. That is not okay at all. So this says, yes, it is generally illegal to intentionally set off tornado sirens or similar emergency warning systems that cause panic or confusion, as it mimics emergency situations and can undermine public safety. So that is why you do not want to do that. Because you can get fined and you can get arrested by the police. So do not do that. Also, you never want to tamper with these things either. Just like you don't want to tamper with fire alarms, exit signs, fire extinguishers, all the things like that. Because these are life safety devices. These were made to save people's lives. Because they alert people, specifically those people who are outside, to take cover when there's a severe thunderstorm or tornado warning in their area. And they warn people to take cover. So these are never to be messed around with. So what do I mean by all that is do not take the projection cone off. You don't ever take the logo off. Don't take this thing off. And certainly don't throw rocks at it. That will really get you into trouble. So do not be one of those individuals that like to do that. Because you will get in very big trouble and you will have to replace the tornado siren. Do not do it. Bye.